keep getting now internet connection problems on your Capcut. Now if you have internet connection issues on your Capcut, follow this tutorial to learn how to solve your problem. So let's get started. Now to solve this problem, first you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, tap Developer option, scroll down, first enable the Wi-Fi scan throttling, choose always to keep mobile data on. After that, check your internet speed. You can open the browser and type internet speed test. If you still have issues and if it keeps showing you a connection timeout, open Setting, scroll down, tap Connection and Sharing, tap Reset Wi-Fi Bluetooth Mobile Network. Now choose the SIM card that you are using for the internet. Now just reset your network for your device. After solving the internet issues, you now need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, search for Capcut Apps, tap on it. Now first turn on Auto Start, tap App Permission, enable Files and Media, enable Other option, go back. Now scroll down, tap Battery Saver, choose No Restriction, tap Restricted Data Usage, enable all the settings. Now clear cache, tap OK. After following the process, now if you still have issues, please let me know in the comment sections below. Thanks for watching.